What's up, all my pimps and all my simps and all my simps and all my pimps? We finna just get right into this video. I'm finna be installing my wig. It's gonna take forever, so yeah. Make sure y'all subscribe. Doing this part, getting ready for that braid. I think I put some gel or something on it. Something. Look at me, girl. Look at me tired. Okay. Yeah.
I need 2 lesbians.
Period. Okay. Yeah, don't play well, baby. Yeah, okay. Alright, so now we finna put some gel, some grease. Yeah, some grease on my head. Feel good, feel great. I'm gonna braid these little things to the back because I don't know how to, like braid it all the way to the back for real. See how she fits, see how she look. She kind of small, but we gonna do it, ain't we? Ain't we, Audie? We is, baby. Yup, we is. It's giving. Very much giving. I don't have no gloves, but then I found some gloves, but I found some gloves after, like, what I'm gonna do with it now. But yeah, don't judge me. Here I was trying to highlight. I see it on YouTube, so I tried it. I don't know if I got the wrong developer or something, but or I didn't wait that long because I waited like 5 minutes because I'm impatient and I was tired, baby. I did the actual lace too, baby. And then I put that plastic bag on my mannequin head because I don't want it to get on there. Like, I be putting my wigs on there like after I dyed them and stuff, and my mannequin head be getting like color on it, and I don't really like it. Like, And then I put it in a bag to try to make it go faster, like go faster. Look at my bald headed ass. Next, we tweezing, plucking, whatever, however you would like to say. Me doing it. I don't really be knowing what I be doing for real, but I just be, lolly hair. Lolly, I'm sorry. And I still can't find my blow dryer. I think it's in my car, but I'm not sure. Bam, next scene. So, this is like a whole couple days later, baby. The cap on. Got to be. Bald. Just like your mammy. I'm sorry. Your mama probably got a lot of hair. Boom, now look at me. I got a lot of hair too. Period. laying it down now. Mm-hmm. Next, pulling some edges out. Cutting some edges. Yes, wow, she is really giving. She's giving. Now we clean it up. Period. Clean up your mess. Fixing ourselves. Get it right. Because you cute, boo. Yeah, you did that. For your friend.
Black nigga couldn't be. You look like Beyonce version of a black queen nigga. That was good coming from her. Hi, Justin. Hi, Just YouTube. Hey, guys. So. Whoa.
And you know the rest. Bow.
Oh, wow. So it's just gonna move like that? Like that? It must be Jello, because Jello no shade.
Yeah, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, and share. Peace out on my pimps. On my simps. I love y'all.
Northside pulling shorty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you was a lame boy, get up on my